Mr. Sears, I want you to stand up. Get out of that car and show these people who you are. Look. Ladies and gentlemen, that man helped me build this car. Let me hear from Mr. Paul Sears. Come on. The guy in the front seat driving that car is the son of Gary Grossman. Gary Grossman was the machine company, GK Machines, that built the car to raise.
Let's go. Tell Johnny to follow me. Now you can imagine coming down through Reno and come off the freeway and say, "You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. But your love drives a man insane. You grow my will. He's the mayor, and Lake Tahoe, he said they changed hot August nights. You're not going to have it at that. That was the Mount Blue. Look at the bad word. Bad word. Man, I love you. Well, I'm from Tennessee. When you get divorced, you're still cousins. But I love to come up here. I mean, this place is amazing. You know, I never get to stop and see all the people. I know I affect a lot of people, but to watch the world, man. I mean, when you see, I just did Modesto with George Lucas, and we talked about the masses, how many people scream. And on Saturday night in Sparks, there'll be 300,000 people. You see this car for the first time. When I push the button, you know, the fire alarms shoot off the top, and it's crazy. But American ingenuity is amazing. So it's real nice playing for you all tonight. I want to wish you the best evening you ever had. I'm sorry about the news. Thanks, Bobby.